You have a business but not a website. The clock is ticking and you need to make a decision. Another click and you get lost in the YouTube rabbit hole. Into the endless maze of best website builder reviews. Templates blur past in a digital stampede. He decides to pick one. Heart thudding, then crash. Pop-up menus demand a logo, colors, copy, graphics, branding. His mission? Build a business, fast. But this slick digital cockpit suddenly feels like a NASA space shuttle. Every wrong click is a step backwards. Then paralysis sets in. A menacing timer flashes on his mental dashboard. Days are slipping by, ideas are shrinking. Suddenly, he gets a revelation. I don't have to be the engineer. I just need to be the pilot. He yanks his focus from perfect pixels to launch. No more tech tangles. He sprints for the exit. The escape hatch? A system built for speed, churning out branded launches with the tap of a button. Jake vaults over hesitation, blasting past the fool's gold of one more tweak. If you're stuck at the starting line, quit building the spaceship. Hit launch. Remember, your job is to run and build a business, not a website. Comment below for more info.